Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Kia Niro. Begin by sketching the fundamental shapes that define the car's body, like a long rectangle for the main cabin and a smaller one for the hood. This initial step is crucial for getting the overall size and perspective correct before adding any details. Remember to keep your lines light and loose at this stage. Now, let's refine the body lines, giving the Niro its characteristic sleek yet robust appearance. Pay close attention to the subtle creases and contours along the doors and fenders. Next, sketch the wheel wells and the wheels themselves. The Niro often features unique alloy designs, so try to capture those details for an authentic look. Make sure the wheels are proportionate to the body. Moving to the front and rear, we'll add the distinctive features that make the Kia Niro recognizable. Carefully draw the tiger nose grille, the sleek headlights, and the lower air intakes. At the back, focus on the unique taillight design and the rear bumper's contours. These elements are key to capturing the vehicle's identity. Take your time to ensure everything is symmetrical and well-placed. For our final steps, we'll add the smaller details that bring your drawing to life. Include the windows, door handles, side mirrors, and any roof rails. Then, it's time for shading. Use different pencil pressures to create shadows and highlights, giving your Kia Niro drawing a three-dimensional quality. This adds depth and realism, making your artwork truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.